Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher silverware basket. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new silverware basket. The silverware basket holds the utensils in the dishwasher. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we can pull out the lower rack. Then we can remove both pieces of the silverware basket. All you have to do is lift them out of the dish rack and pull them out. Here's the old silverware basket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned it, but it'll go in and work just fine. To put the new silverware basket in, all you have to do is set it into place and push the lower rack back in. Once you have the rack back in, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.